how to see your comments on YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube app on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon from the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the settings option from the top right of your screen. Now, under the Account tab, you will see the Manage All History option. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all of the history that YouTube has collected from your specific YouTube account. Tap on the Interactions option there and further tap on the Comment and Replies option under the Video Interactions tab, and with this you will be able to see all the comments you have made from your YouTube account. So this is how you can see your comments on YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.